If you keep waking up at 3 a.m. for no reason, it's not random. Your brain is doing something important. At night, your body moves through sleep cycles. But around 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., your brain becomes more sensitive. This is when stress hormones like cortisol start to rise. If your mind is holding on to worry, stress, or unfinished thoughts, your brain may wake you up. Not to disturb you, but to protect you. It thinks something needs your attention. That's why your thoughts feel louder at night. But here's what you can do. When you wake up, don't check your phone. Don't fight your thoughts. Instead, take a slow breath in and a longer breath out. Focus only on your breathing. This tells your brain there is no danger. And slowly, your body returns to sleep mode. You don't wake up at 3 a.m. because something is wrong. You wake up because your brain is trying to help you. Guide it gently, and sleep will return. Follow relaxation science for more science-based sleep techniques.